Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure both devices share the same Apple ID and are on the same Wi-Fi network. Bluetooth should be enabled. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone and go to Phone right arrow calls on other devices. Turn it on and permit your Mac. Then on your Mac, open FaceTime, choose Preferences, and enable calls from iPhone so the system can route the carrier call through your Mac. This links the devices and prepares them to receive calls immediately. Now configure FaceTime and audio so calls sound right. Sign into FaceTime with the same Apple ID and confirm it shows active. FaceTime must be enabled to accept cellular handoff. Make sure your Mac's input and output devices are set under System Settings right arrow sound and raise the ring volume so you hear incoming calls. Also allow FaceTime notifications and turn off Do Not Disturb or add an exception so call banners appear. These steps ensure you can see and hear calls as they arrive on your Mac. To finish, practice. When a call arrives, tap Accept on the banner or open FaceTime to pick up. You can also call from Contacts, Spotlight, or Phone links in Safari. When done, click End or close the FaceTime window. If calls don't appear, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both devices and sign out, then back into your Apple ID. Also make sure calls on other devices remains enabled, and any VPNs or firewalls aren't blocking local device discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.